Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer bacon wrapped scallops. Let's begin. We have here 10 pieces of scallop. We also have Eskimar bacon. And now let's start wrapping up the scallops with bacon. Let's open this up. Before we wrap up the scallops, we're going to add some garlic salt. Turn them over, do the same thing. There you go. We're also going to add some black pepper. Sprinkle it lightly on. There you go. Turn them over, do the same thing. There you go. Next, we're going to take the bacon and we're going to wrap it around the scallop. Like that. Then we're going to turn it over and wrap it around. Just like that. We have here one. Let's do another one. We're going to wrap the scallop with the bacon. Then we're going to turn it, wrap the exposed end. Just like that. You can see all sides are covered. And we're just going to take a toothpick and poke it through. And now let's get the rest done real quick. Okay, we have all 10 scallops wrapped up. And let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the bacon wrapped scallops. Make sure they're nicely spaced out. There we go, all 10 pieces of bacon wrapped scallop is nicely spaced out. Let's put it in. We're going to turn it back to 400 degrees for a total time of 16 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 8 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Smells really good. Let's turn them over real quick. Okay, we flipped them all over. Let's put it back in for the last 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 16 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking wonderful. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer bacon wrapped scallops. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's cut one open real quick. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.